Alright, so what's going on, guys? I got something to show you. I picked up this sweet 3D printer the other day. Got it super cheap. It's hard to pass up a bargain, right? Now, I gotta figure out how to use it. If there's anything you want me to print, let me know, because I might send stuff out kind of free of charge just because I'm playing around with it and it's not gonna be any good. But if you want something, and if I've got the material for it, which right now I've got PLA, so no good for stuff we're doing, but I do have 5 spools, small spools of TPU material. I've got them in gold, green, blue, pink, and purple. So if any of those colors you want, let me know. I did print out a couple of these little guys, the nuts for the SMA connectors, and they seem to work pretty good. I printed out a couple other things. I also did the spool holders. Just trying things out. If you have anything you want, let me know in the comments. If I can make it, I'll do it. I'll get in touch with you, and then we'll figure out if I can ship it to you, something like that. Anyways, I'm gonna go fly. Have fun. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I put some upgrades on here already. Direct drive for the TPU material, fan cover, extruder knob, and Z-axis knob. And you can see down there a little cover for the circuit board. So again, just playing around and having fun.
Sometimes I feel like I still feel suffocated by society. Cause this 9 to 5 shit ain't been supplying me with the peace I seek. I need variety. I need the freedom that these schemes been denying me. I need the freedom that these dreams are supplying me for days without end before this pressure divided me. But be a fool if I let this thing deny me the life I wanna live, cause day by day I find it. Or at least I think so, cause I don't wanna blink once. Open my eyes to find a life I wanna live, cause time passes stupid fast, and one day you might wake up wondering, like, fuck, this life I really wanted was it is something my parents prescribe. Work all your life until you finally die. Never unleashing the beauty you hide in, never unlocking the real you inside. So fuck it, I won't do this no more. I don't waste it too much time to waste it anymore. Like, fuck it, I won't do this no more. I don't waste it too much time to waste it anymore. Sometimes I feel like our lives are just projections on a night sky, and then our stars play out among the stars, great constellations from who we are. And sometimes I feel like our lives are just projections on a night sky, and then our stars play out among the stars, great constellations from who we are. I got dreams of a wholesome soul, of still streams where I could gently roll over, stretching green where I dance as buffalo. All the places that my heart will gladly roam. If only I would let it, but I'm too busy stressing over never finding love for the right profession. Said I never want to quit, but I might get one if I lose out the truth that my eyes have been blessed with. Whole love for the things we learn, but I'm yet young and my heart still yearns for more than safety and a fat check to earn for. Want to fit in this love gesture, so damn right I'll be selling my home. In a year's time I'll be at a CEO. In 2 years I don't know, but I hope my spirit runs free up on the open road. Sometimes I feel like our lives are just projections on a night sky, and then our stars play out among the stars, great constellations from who we are. And sometimes I feel like our lives are just projections on a night sky, and then our stars play out among the stars, great constellations from who we are. Fuck it, I won't do this no more. I don't waste it too much time. Wasted too much time. Like, fuck it, I won't do this. I don't waste it too much time. I don't waste it anymore. Time. Fuck it, I won't do this no more. This no more. Waste it too much wasted too much time. This, no, fuck it, I won't do this no more. I don't wasted too much time. Don't waste it anymore. Sometimes I feel like paralyzed. Just projections on that night sky, and then our stars play out among the stars, creating constellations from who we are. And sometimes I feel like paralyzed. Just projections on the night sky, and then our stars play out among the stars, creating constellations from who we are.
All right, well, that's it, guys. So much for a long weekend and ripping quads. Anyway, like I said, if you guys want anything 3D printed, and obviously within reason, I've got the TPU that I mentioned. Hit me up if I can print it and it turns out half-assed okay. I'll get in touch with you. We'll send you one. See ya.